Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're unboxing and checking out Samsung's Galaxy Ring. This is one of the most exciting releases in the wearable world, and we're going to see if this tiny ring can actually keep up with the hype. So let's dive right into it. So we got the ring and the charging case. We got a USB Type-C on both ends. Oh yeah, yes we do. Alright, so classic Samsung packaging. The ring itself is made of titanium. Let's take the ring out now. Beautiful. This is really lightweight, guys. I've got mine in the silver, but it also comes with black and gold depending on your style preference. So I got the black ring from Rincon right here that I got, and they're both size 11. Alright, let's talk about the fit real quick. Before you go and even get the ring, Samsung sends out the sizing kit. You can get that online and then I think use it as a credit to buy the ring. So I didn't have to do that because I used the Rincon sizing kit that I purchased. Before the Samsung ring was available in Canada, I got the Rincon and I tried size 11. So the sizing kit works for both. It's perfect. You could also go to the store and grab it or try the size. The sizing was spot on for me. It's crucial that the ring fits snugly because if it's too loose, the heart rate, sleep, and health readings are not gonna come off proper. So definitely take advantage of that sizing kit to get the size that fits you best. Okay, so next we got the charging case. This thing's small, portable, and easy to carry around. Perfect for when you're on the go. So it could fit anywhere in your pocket. It's actually very small. Smaller than my Rincon, but I think the Samsung is 7-day battery life and the Rincon is 6 days, but I'll do a full review comparison between these two. So yeah, you don't have to worry about the charging it every night like the smartwatch, so track your sleeping over several nights without any interruption, because sometimes I feel like wearing the watch is too bulky during sleep. You just move around too much and this thing comes off like that. And you know, once you got the ring, it syncs up pretty smoothly with the Samsung Health is what I heard, and I'm gonna give that a try right now. Okay, just syncing up the Samsung ring here. Let's see how fast this syncs up. Downloading software. Okay, so once you got the ring set up and it syncs up smoothly with Samsung Health, then you can see all your key metrics: steps, calories burned, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and even sleep tracking. My watch, I've been wearing it sometimes at night when I go to sleep because like I said, it's bulky, so I'm gonna be sleeping with this, checking out the scores. They both fill the gaps between each other, so that's really cool. It also gives you your heart rate variability and your temperature changes. What I really like is the energy score that Samsung Health gives you, which combines your activity and rest data into one simple number, so you can always check that out. It lets you know how to tackle the next day. I think this is super handy for getting a quick snapshot of your overall wellness without digging too deep into each metric. Speaking of the sleep tracking, this is where Samsung Galaxy Ring shines. The 7-day battery life makes it easy to wear without worrying about charging it every day, and it tracks your sleep stages, light, deep, and REM. It also gives you insight on how well you're resting. But yeah, it's important to wear it every night to see the final result. So throughout the day, the Galaxy Ring is tracking your heart rate, calories burned, and even blood oxygen levels in the background. But if you're working out, chilling, or just taking a walk, it gives you real-time feedback on your health. Sleek, super comfortable, and the 7-day battery makes it ideal for sleep tracking. It's a first-gen product, so there are some features like NFC payment that it doesn't have yet, which is a bummer. I wish it did, so I can just put my ring on and do my payments. I mean, I can still do it on the watch, but it's kind of cool, you gotta admit, to have that ring that you can do all this shopping. If you're in a Samsung ecosystem, this could be the next addition to your wellness routine. Fill up the gaps between this and this during the night and day. Like daytime, you could wear this, because I don't really want to wear this at the gym. I did wear my Rincon ring, and at work or at the gym, I would tend to, when I'm grabbing my tools or something, when I'm at the gym, grabbing the bar, the dumbbells or something, I would kind of hit it here, and it's just kind of uncomfortable wearing it. Parts where I had to take it off because it just got pinched between it. I'm sure this thing would be the same, so I probably reckon a lot of people will not do that and just keep wearing the ring at night. Very comfortable, fits snug, looks way slimmer than I thought. I like the silver color. By the way, let me know what color you guys got. If if you guys get black or gold. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm always looking for the next big tech that comes out and give my honest opinion. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I'll be sure to message right away. If you have any questions about the ring or how it feels or how it is, right away I'll message you back. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.